And welcome to Forex Bluna Hub, and in this video I'm going to show you, or I'm going to share exciting news update for the next week. And as you know that gold is always related on USD, that's why XAUUSD here. Okay, XAUUSD here, and USD means unit listed dollar, always connected with gold, that's why we have to focus on USD news. Okay, this particular area. Okay, and as you can see there, I just illustrated there few concern or few thing. As you can see there, if we get positive news from the market, and that means data come with a positive value like 0.5% or 245k with green sign, indicates sell for USD or indicates sell for gold. Okay, indicates sell for gold. If we get negative news from the market and data comes with negative data like red 0.5% or 245k with red sign, indicates buy for gold or XAUUSD. So you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why sell for blue data or why buy for red data? So let's get back or let get down, and as you can see there is suppose gold price right now around 2500 USD, and there is XAUUSD, and there is dollar. Okay, so one gold bar is equal to 2500 bucks. Okay, 2500. So when USD news come negative, that means news data come negative minus 245k or 5% with red data, red color value in Forex Factory. As you can see there, if dollar lose, always news come with positive or negative value. Okay, positive or negative value for USD. Okay, for USD. Okay, and gold value always fixed. We know that beginning of the world, or beginning of the from the beginning of the world, gold value is always fixed. Okay, and USD value changeable, that means USD strength can be up or down. So if we get USD 5% negative value, that means minus value, as I write there, gold lose is gold price is 2500 and it lose 5% strength, that's why USD is 2500 right now, and it loses 5% strength. Okay, in this case USD value is smaller than gold. Suppose before we buy, one gold is equal to 2500. If it lose 5% value, that means if USD lose 5% value, in that case if we want to buy one gold, we have to put more money in the USD set. It can be 2600 or whatever it comes with the calculation. So gold always fixed and USD is always variable or changeable. So let me remove all of the thing, and if USD lose 5% value, as you can see there, it got smaller. Okay, that means gold is bigger right now. So if news data come with negative value, we have to buy gold because gold is bigger than USD. If gold bigger than USD, data chart will go up. This is the simple concern. And for the same theory over here, as you can see there, gold is same as the previous one, and USD got 5% plus value, that means green value, that's why it increased 5%. As you can see there, this is the constant, or this is the previous value, and it got 5% value, and it just bigger than previous one. Okay, and in that case, if USD price go upper than gold, or if USD price increase than gold is constant, one gold is always constant, USD price increase, that's why gold price will be decreased automatically. Okay, gold price will be decreased, that means sell for gold. This is the basic theory. Okay, hopefully you understand all the thing, all the concern about news sentiment or how news works. So let's get back into our chart, that means Monday to Friday's chart. As you can see there, I just selected September 16 to September 20, that means there is 1 2 3 4 5 days. Okay, we don't have any news on Friday, that means red or green, red, that means major or semi major news on Friday. So market may be going to move sideways, like channel wise, or support and resistance wise, like that or that. Okay, we will discuss later on this market days about the Friday's movement. And as you can see there, we have Monday 1 USD semi major news, Empire State Manufacturing Index, and we have previous forecast. And if news data come with negative value, that means with red sign, we will buy gold. If with positive value, we will sell gold as per previous instruction. Okay, we have Tuesday 2 USD red news, core retail sales the same concern affair. And we have another two news, that means two time news in Wednesday, USD and USD, that is semi major news, both of those. So we will take the decision depend on the news data. Okay, buy or sell. Okay, and in Thursday we have a lot of news like FOMC major news, and as you can see there is FOMC press conference, and we have unemployment climbs. Okay, there is 1 2 3 4 time news. Okay, we have to alert about that news. That means this day, like September 19. Okay, this is the major day for this week, and market will move a lot of this day. We have to pay our attention on this day. Market can be moved 100 to 500 pips on this day, so you can get ready a separate account for this day's trade or for news trade. So we will discuss risk management and other things about later. Okay, so hopefully all things is clearable now. And if you have any question, or if you want to know other concern like technical analysis or market sentiment, you can knock us on Telegram, or you can visit our YouTube channel to get more values. And I want to discuss about the money management because a lot of trader taking wrong decision while news or while the technical analysis make the technical analysis. So suppose if you have $1,000 account, and before or beginning of the day, or when you want to start your trading, you need to decide how much risks you want to take. Okay, how much percentage? If you have $1,000 account, how much percentage risk you want to take on 1 day, or in 1 day, or in this week? If your answer is 10% risk, that means you want to take 10% risk for 1 day. Okay, so that means you want to lose $100 for 1 day, not more than that. That means if you take 5 entries, or let's say you want to take 2 entries on a day, 2 entry. Okay, you want to take 2 entry on a day, and you want to take 10% risk. That means you want to lose maximum $100. That means 10% of $1,000. Okay, 10 into 100 is equal to $1,000. Okay, so if you want to take 2 entry with 10% risk in 1 day, you may want to lose, or if you lose, maximum your loss will be $1,000. Okay, and suppose you want to add 2 entry on with 0.10 losses. Okay, with 0.1, this can be changeable. I suppose 0.10 into 2 losses, that means your total losses will be 0.20. Okay, or you may take 0.05 is equal into 4, same thing. Okay, 0.02 into 10 you can take. Okay, 0.20, that can be like that. Let me remove. So if you want to take 10% risk on your $1,000 account, same calculation on $100 account, $200, $500, $10,000, $5,000 account. Okay, you can just make a sense how the risk management work. Okay, so suppose we want to take 0.10 lot size, 2 entry. Okay, 2 entry of 0.10 lot size. So my SL is 50 pips minus 50 pips. Okay, into 2 is equal to 100 pips minus 100 pips. I want to take max. So if I want to take 0.10 lot size, 2 entry into 2 entry, my loss will be 100 bucks. Okay, suppose you are losing or it trade going negative and you are adding more and more entry, that will be risky for your $1000 account. Okay, you must what concern about your SL. Without SL you may winning 5 trades in a day, but in the another day you will lose in one trade. Okay, you may lose one trade minus 1000 bucks. Okay, it can be happened a lot of thing. I've already show a lot of trader who lose $1000 in one trade. It can be $10,000, it can be $100,000, blah blah blah. So if you want to take 10% risk, your maximum loss could be 100 bucks. Okay, not more than that. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, you are discussing about the loss, what about profit? Beginning of the trade, or if you want to start trade, you have to assume or you have to expect it can be loss trade or it can be winning trade. Okay, because if you are a real trader, or if you want to be a real trader, or if you want to be a professional trader, you must have to expect your loss. Okay, suppose you want to lose $1000 account, sorry, $100, that means 10% in a day, $100, 10%. Okay, if you want to lose 10% in a day, suppose you take 5 entry, with 50 pips SL and 100 pips TP. Okay, 100 pips TP. So your 3 entry hit TP, 3 entry TP, 2 entry SL. Okay, that's why there is 100 pips profit. Risk reward ratio is 1:2. Your profit will be 3 into 100 pips is equal to 300 pips. Okay, and 2 entry SL with 50 pips, 50 into 2 is equal to 100 pips. So your profit in a day 200 pips. If you take 0.10 lot size into 200 pips, your profit will be 200 for gold. Okay, only for I am because of gold power is 10 times than others. Okay, that will be 200 bucks profit. This you may ask me, Mr. Boom, this calculation is wrong. Okay, good, but gold power is always 10%. Okay, x into 10%. You know that if you lose, you will lose 10% more, 10 power more, or if you win, you will win 10%, 10 power more. Okay, so you have to assume that beginning of the trade, how much risk do you want. So I will make a separate video about that topic. So hopefully in this video that I discussed about the risk management, that will help you a lot, but you have to think how much risk do you want to take. So that's why I told here in efficiency session, you have to, suppose you have 10,000 bucks, okay, 10,000 bucks, but you can make a separate account like 1,000 bucks. That means that is 10% of your total asset. Okay, 10% of your total asset. So if you want to take risks, so you can start with 1,000 bucks, or if you have total 1,000 bucks, you can start trading with 100 bucks account in this session, and you may take 0.01 lot size. When your account size is smaller, your lot size will be smaller. When your account size larger, your lot size will be larger. So in 0.10, you may take 2 of 0.05, or 3 of 0.03, or 10 of 0.01. Okay, you can take 10 entry of 0.01, 3 entry of 0.05, 2 entry of 0.05 if you have $1,000 equity, or 1 entry of 0.10. Hopefully all things clear now. Video is going to very longer. I wish to you a successful trading life. So happy trading, have a nice day.